If you're interested in building a business in 2024, stick around. I want to show you something really cool. Now, this is a full training course. It's going to take you through every aspect to build a business, from picking a topic, picking a niche, to actually go ahead and building websites, getting traffic over to those websites, and then earning money, whether it's from your own products or it's from actually promoting other people's products and services. If that's something that really interests you, stick around. I'm going to show you something that is literally going to change everything for you in 2024. Now, the reason I say that is because this is the training that I first used to get started online, and I've got a full-time business online now based on this training, and it is so cheap at the moment, it is unreal. And I'm going to just jump in. So we're going to jump into the actual training here, and if you look at the front page here, basically this is all about starting a real business online. So this isn't some kind of side hustle. This is something that's going to take some work to actually set up, but once you do, you'll have a proper sustainable business there, because you'll have a really good foundation. So this is for serious people only, right? This isn't for people that just want to take shortcuts. This is for serious people. So basically, guys, you're going to jump in here, and everything I'm going to show you now is basically $1. So just get that out of the way first of all, because I think you're not going to believe the value you're going to get in here for $1, right? So basically, you're going to jump inside, and you're going to have this community feed to start with. Now, this community feed is going to be very useful to you, because it's like-minded people that have also bought this course and actually going through the training, and there's so many people engaging all the time here that you're going to have a real good resource to help you. So that's just the kind of background of the community itself. Now, when you get inside the course, you're going to have all of these different modules. Now, there's over 9 hours of training in here. There's multiple modules, some of them up to 5 minutes, some of them up to 15 minutes long, and basically it takes you every single aspect that you're going to know about building a business. So first thing that the actual creator Philip Barrowman does is he takes you through some of the foundations of what this training is all about. So there's a few modules here that take you through, you know, how you can actually make money with the training, how you can actually build a passive income from the training, etc., etc. And it's basically going to take you and give you a good foundation to the training. And then we get into the actual meat of this training. You're going to get into the action plan. Now, this action plan is set up so that you do one lesson at a time. You complete that lesson and then you go on to the next one. It's not designed for people who want to skip ahead, because you're going to miss lots and lots of things. So basically, you go through this one lesson at a time. The success blueprint is all about lots of different things that people at first come online are going to struggle with the various questions. So it's things like, how long does it take to make money online? How to actually build that business online that's just sustainable, how you can actually keep motivated, how you can actually get over imposter syndrome. All of these types of fundamental lessons are within this success blueprint. And then you get into the actual creation of your business itself. So what is the topic that you're going to talk about in your business? Are you going to talk about health? You're going to talk about wealth? You're going to talk about something completely different? This is where you're actually going to pick what that niche is. Now, when I jump in here, you'll see there's lots of different topics here. This is going to be something around micro niches explained. Done for you niches are going to be given to you. There's going to be a list here for you. Forget about keyword research, AI lightning fast niche exploration. What if I choose the wrong niche? The fallacy of failure. All of these types of topics are going to be discussed here. Now, the reason this is so good is that he's very good at taking things through everything step by step. And I've known Philip now for, it's got to be 3 to 4 years. And he's very, very to the point, very honest, and very, very good at coaching. He takes you through everything step by step, and you cannot go wrong as long as you're not going to skip. So this is all about the niches, and you've got similar type of detail on each of the other topics. So I just go back into the action plan. You're going to see this is based over 7 main topics. The next one is a rock solid foundation. So you're going to start building a website. You're going to choose a domain name. You're going to get hosting. You're going to build a website. Then you're going to have a choosing your path to success. So this is interesting. I go down the YouTube route. Some people went down the blogging route. There's various ways that you can actually build out your business. And this is where you're actually going to choose that, and it takes you through the pros and cons of each, and it teaches you some of the ways that you can get started with whatever one you choose. And from then on, it's all about actually creating a business around that path. So the next one is converged optimized deployment. It's all about how you actually start building your website a little bit more, and how to get some of the conversion tools in place, how you build an irresistible lead magnet. This is interesting because, again, you can have a free offer, completely free offer that you give to people. They come onto your list, and you can actually promote goods and services to those people. It's just one way that you can actually start building an audience up, and it teaches you how to actually develop a lead magnet here. And he also gives you a few examples. Next one is email marketing. Again, everything's in the list as usual. If you've got a good email list, you can make a lot of money off that. So how do you actually go about building up an email marketing funnel, and how do you actually start getting people into your list and actually start promoting to them? And last last is the time to launch. So this is putting it all together and bringing everything in so you can actually start launching your business online. Now, by the end of this, you will actually have a business that you can go ahead and start using. Now, that's $1. Everything I've told you there is $1. Over 9 hours of training, absolutely click for click. You can't go wrong as long as you follow along. There is initial investments if you want to go ahead and do this, because obviously you've got to get a domain name, you've got to get web hosting. All of those things are fundamental to absolutely anybody coming online. But once you've got those, this is a way that you can build a real sustainable business. So if you want to jump in, there is a link in my description below. It is literally $1, guys. You can come in here, go through this program. You don't have to get anything else to get started. Go through this program, and then you can basically go ahead and start building your business in 2024.